Good afternoon, this is Andrew from Lexus of Kelowna. Thank you so much for inquiring on our 2018 Honda CRV EXL edition. Again, 2018, just over 24,000 kilometers on this vehicle. One owner, no accident history, really clean. I'm just going to go over some highlights of the vehicle here, show you the condition. Starting with the windshield here, no chips or cracks in the windshield, which is always nice. Gunmetal gray here, actually a really nice gray, has almost a little bit of a blue tinge to it as well. And with the low kilometers, very few marks or anything to report on this here. That's just a bit of a dirt smudge right there. Looking in the front, really good condition, rock chipping, to a minimum here. Good amount of tread left on the tires. Your Honda rims there. Okay, no dents or major scratching or anything like that on the passenger side here. So you do have the power tailgate here. That's just from the fob right here. Again, lots of room in here. The good thing about the CRV is it has a very high trunk ceiling here, so you have lots of room in there. And again, then you have your spare tire and jack under there. Coming along to the driver's side here, again, no dents, dings, scratches, anything like that on the side. In the back here, so you got nice black leather seats on the inside here, which is nice. Lots of room in the back here. It's a very spacious vehicle, the CRV. One minor scratch just right there. Nice, some wood trim in there. Two different memory seating options. Your power locks, power windows are just down here. Push button start. You got your lane departure alert here, pre-collision system, windshield de-icer here. Then again, there's your power tailgate there. Here you've got your heated seats for the passenger and driver here. And then this you've got your kind of infotainment system right here. This will include your backup camera, which will come on as soon as you put it into reverse there. And you can go back to the home system here and have anything that you want kind of displayed there. And there's a few different options that you can have depending on what your preferences are there. Nice sunroof here. That's in all the natural light. And again, there's kind of the view. So really spacious car, really well priced in the marketplace, and then the kilometers are going to be tough to beat. So if you have any questions, let me know. It's Andrew at Lexus of Kelowna. 250-448-0990 is the number here. And thanks for shopping at Lexus of Kelowna. Take care.